Thank you for checking out this CardPointe demo. We're excited to begin introducing you to your new merchant portal. As a current user of Blueview, we know you might have a lot of questions about CardPointe, so today we want to give you a better understanding of the portal. We're going to walk you through the features you'll have the opportunity to take advantage of and show you some of our favorites. Just to give you some background, CardPointe is our comprehensive, very easy to use merchant payments portal, where businesses can simply manage their credit card transactions. In the portal, you can do things like view full transaction life cycles, pull reports, and access your monthly statements. Let's start by logging in. Once you're logged into your account, you're automatically taken to your CardPointe dashboard. Here you'll see a summary of your current open batches, where you can view both authorized transactions and also captured transactions for all of your business locations. Then below, you'll see an overview of the 5 most recent funding events. Next is a bar graph that displays your funding trends. We always default to show the last 30 days of data and all locations, but you can drill down to change those filters. For example, you can select a more specific date range. You can also hover over areas of the graph to get more overview information. In the My Accounts tab, you can see and manage the information for all of your business locations, as well as see your account's PCI compliance status. In an update coming soon, you'll be able to access a link on this page to fulfill your annual PCI compliance requirements. Moving on to the Reporting tab. This is where you can easily pull transaction reports. When your CardPointe account is active, you'll be able to see a 90-day history of your statements and Blueview transaction data. As you continue to use CardPointe, you'll eventually be able to see up to a year's worth of transactions. You can filter these transactions by location, date range, method, which is how the transaction was run, status of the transactions, front end, where the transaction originated, and columns, what is displayed in the reports. All reports can be downloaded for your records. Click on any transaction number to drill into the details of that transaction, including the user that ran the transaction, the location at which it was accepted, the authorized and captured amount, and the customer profile information. We're going to skip over the Gateway Batches subtab. This is only relevant if you're processing transactions within CardPointe products, which we'll touch on in a bit. Within the Funding subtab, you can view the deposits that were made into your account, and click to see what transactions made up those deposits. Going to the Chargeback subtab, we report on the chargebacks as they occur, and provide all the information we can, so merchants can be more proactive in addressing those chargebacks. In the Statements subtab, you can see all statements for any of your business locations. All you have to do is download the PDF to view each statement. One thing we want to remind you of is that the CardPointe mobile app is another place you can view your transaction data on the go. You can download it for free from the Apple or Google Play stores. We'll come back to discuss the Virtual Terminal tab, so let's move to the Administration tab for now, where you can make any account level changes, such as managing your account user permissions. Each user's permissions can be configured to what he or she will be able to view within each section of CardPointe. Please note that the rest of these subtabs are only used if you'll be using other CardPointe products like a Bolt terminal. On the far right, you'll see the Support tab, where you can access contact information for the CardPointe support team. Plus, you have the option to submit support tickets directly to the team if you'd prefer. While CardPointe will serve as your main portal for reporting, some businesses will be excited to learn about the additional processing features that CardPointe offers. First, we have the Virtual Terminal. This is where you can actually run transactions, straight from within CardPointe. Here you can select the type of transaction you want to run, enter your customer information, dollar amount, and then hit process. Please note that the void and refund functionality can only be used on original transactions run on the CardPointe virtual terminal. While new transactions can be initiated in the CardPointe virtual terminal, please continue to process transactions on your standard BluePay equipment and/or gateway. We also want to bring up the catalog. This is the place where you can organize, price, and manage all of your products and services. Here you can also create and manage product or cart discounts. Please note that this feature is for use with CardPointe mobile and tablet app only. Lastly, you have the Marketplace tab. From here you can place orders for equipment that's compatible with the virtual terminal and CardPointe mobile, as well as learn about additional CardPointe features or add-on services like accounting plugins, shopping carts, and Clover devices. That brings us to the end of the demo. Hopefully this was helpful and will be a good starting point for getting to know CardPointe. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.